Bakit? Sino namatay? Ha? Bobo ka. Namatay yung live. Sorry. Uminit kasi yung phone ko. Nakatapat siya sa may sa may lutoan. Yehey! Luto na siya. Wala akong mugu-mugu. The fuck? Ano ba yun? Pwede yun? Tagal nung kanin maluto. O, ganang kailan. Sana bumili lang ako kanin sa birthday ko ngayon. Happy birthday! Bitch, siya mag-boss. Di mo po pwedeng maloko. Loka-loka na kasi kung kaya nang pake ko sa'yo. Nara bitch, I'm a boss. Kaya kung treat mo, lokohin wag ako, iba na lang. Narapin siya Hilingal ako. Saan ka makailalan? Kaya kung treat mong lokohin wag ako, iba na lang. May nasabi ka pala, okay. Kala mo sa luto naging okay. Plastic ka ako, okay. Bitch, better go walk. Tapos nadrahos ka. Sugar daddy, baby na. Dito na yung kanin, pero let's wait for mga 11:30. Kuha ko ng Mahirap na buksan. Kaya meron na akong money, wag mo na akong pakitaan. Hello, JP. Di ka ba biro? Iho. Siguro. Sasira ang ulo. Yoko sa'yo. Loko-loko. Pero kung galing ang pangit ng dito talaga. Ano bang maganda panoorin? Na bitch, I'm a boss. Di mo ko pwedeng maloko. Loka-loka na kasi ko kaya ng pake ko sa'yo. I'm not a bitch, I'm a boss. Wow. I'm a boss. Di mo ko pwedeng maloko. Loka. Bakit kasi ako hindi naka-dark? Ano ba? Wait lang, Cam. Right? Not a bitch, I'm a boss. Islay! Tok na lang tayo. Shit. Itchy mother.
Sa nakalipas na mga taon, lalo na nung pandemya, tila kasama na ito sa basic necessities ng marami.
Sa nakalipas na pagkakataon, lalo na nung pandemya. Oh! What the fuck, Jessica? Bakit mo ko siya sinasaniban? Diba? Ganun.
Sa nakalipas na mga taon, lalo na nung pandemya, tila
Sa nakalipas na panahon, lalo na nung pandemya. The fuck? Asan yung maliit na bits? Sobrang sunog nung... Nasunog ko yung niluluto ko. Ngunit, wala tayong makain. Hindi naman siya sunog. Tara! Hindi, gusto ko yung sunog. Bakit ba? Ano yan, chocolate? Nasunog ko nga. Hindi ko na malayan na dapat golden brown pala ito. Nasunog ko siya. Hindi yun pwede. Saka hindi ako nagluluto dito eh. Okay lang ini. Mind you HRM pa ako talaga. Hindi. Gagaslight super toasted yun. Gusto ko nga, ano ba? Gagaslight natin ang self natin na favorite natin ang ganyan siya. Bakit? Baliktad pala yun. Dapat pala dito siya.
na ito sa basic necessities ng marami.
Sa basic
Tissue
necessities
na
ng
basa,
marami.
Panglinis o pamunas.
Lumipad ang
Mas
aming
madaling
team.
gamitin dahil may kasama ng disinfectant o alcohol, wet wipes. Ang public school teacher at nanay na si Carla, hindi mawawala sa kanyang bag ang wet wipes.
Essential sa household, pag may sipon, kasi nga, pagkapahid, throw na lang, wipe it, wipe it.
Pero ang hindi niya lubos inakala nang dahil sa ipinamunas niyang wet wipe
Ano ba
sa
to?
sinisipon niyang bunso na si Drio, namula at nalapnos ang ilong at bibig nito.
Hindi rin siya makakain.
Namula at nalapnos ang nuggets na to. Nakikita na sobrang itim. Bakit na naman fuchsia? I-gaslight ang sarili. Baka pwede na yung kanin. Wait, I need an interpretation. Mittens. We need the mittens. Shadan. The rice is rising. Wala. Bakit puputok na yung sauce niya? Sobrang liit ng kusina. Ayun. Shadan yung sauce. Alam, mainit siya. May sauce. Ang init. Sobrang init ng sauce na to. Kukuha tayo ng rice. Period. Konti lang inano ko kasi nasasayang lang din. Ay, puti ka. Ay guys, suggestion nga ng ano. Mag-suggest nga kayo ng pwede panooring series. Ayoko yung boring Gusto ko yung maganda. Like, ano bang gusto ko? Ano bang maganda? Like sa YouTube, may series ba sa YouTube? Manood na lang tayong KMJS. Ano bang magandang panoorin? Eh, bakit nasa channel ako? Oh. Ano ba yung magandang panoorin? Wow! Nandito tayo para manood. Modern Family. Oh my God, oo nga. Pero hindi, Family Guy. Family Guy. Family Love Song, ano yun? Alam nyo ba, comfort ko yung Family Guy, guys. Lagi ko siyang lalo na nung filming namin ng Drag Den, lagi ko siyang pinapanood. Minsan natutulugan ko na siya.
Hey bro, wake up your wild side with new Old Spice.
Hindi na ako nagdi-DTI.
At last I shall exact my vengeance and snuff out the miserable flame that has been your life, vile woman.
Growing one carrot, taking up time, filling up the day with nonsense. Vodka in the bushes, making it better, making it right.
KMJS.
What a day, think I'll check the mail.
Time to put you out of your misery.
Okay, gusto ko ipapanood ko KMJS. Ayan.
Hindi niya na-open ng husto yung mouth niya eh. Nag-guilty talaga ako dahil sa 179 pesos na pagtitipid mo, dumating sa point na gano'n.
Ay, panoorin na lang natin yung episode ng Drag Den. Nandito tayo. Ano to? Ito na lang daw.
Ng
Sobrang kabakalaan. Mali. Ayan.
Until I win 3 rounds of Dress to Impress in a row. I'm talking #1 podium position, top star ranking, and nothing else will be accepted. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This game is so much fun. We posted so many episodes playing, and we've had some really great rounds and looks. However, we've had far more cheating, lies, and just flat out robbery when it comes to the rankings. So in today's video, I am literally not going to stop playing. I'm not going to turn the camera off. I am not going to sleep until I get 3 #1 podium placements in a row. This might be a long one. Let's get right into this.
Sabi nga ni Mama
Rush.
Rasha.
Another episode of Dress to Impress. Please don't
Come on
forget to
in.
thumbs up down below. I love filming this series. We have 4 seconds until the first intermission. 3, 2, 1. Our first theme is pink. Okay. Like the singer.
Pink. Get dude.
Oh my god, look at this girl. What the girl? Oh my god, crazy. me. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh, chaperone could be really cool. You guys, I also went through and made some new glamorous faces while I was off camera because I got really sick of trying to do custom makeup every single time, and now I'm a professional just to impress face creator. Okay, so look at this. I need like white face makeup on her. There we go. That's like white. There we go. There you go. That too. That looks good. Okay, where's like the rainbow eyeshadow? Where's the rainbow eyeshadow? So I can do this and like make it like blue. Okay, there we go. That looks good. That looks good. And then she needs like blush. She needs blush. Okay. I mean, Chapel would hate that. I'm sorry, Diva. She needs a nose. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's give her some hair. Okay. Pink Pony Club. She has like a big. Oh. Sorry. Oh my God. We need this color and then this color, right? Because it's giving like a little bit like deeper than that, right? Honestly, she has like this vibe on there too. Yeah. Okay, this is good. Wait, oh my God, I'm eating this up! Oh my God! Run, Chapel, run! There we go. And her crown is silver. We'll make gems blue. I need the armbands, okay? And hers are pink. Ew. Okay. What material can I make these? Let's see. Let's make them silk. She has a nice corset on top. Oh my God! Ew! Get out of there! Oh my God. What? Okay. Oh, it's giving like this. Honestly, this fucking set is so ugly, but it's very much on theme. I need this to be. Let's make this like glitter. Ah! Oh my God, I'm stressing out. I'll just take the regular corset. This one. Pink. Oh my God. Okay, she has a microphone in her hand because she's going to the Pink Pony Club. Is it thigh-high boots? Oh, like these. Oh, knee-length. Perfect. I mean, what else can I do? This is pretty good. Did I finish this in time? Good. Oh shit. Ah! Chapel. Red nails. Lana! Good. Okay. Then we're going to the Pink Pony Club! Look at that! Oh my God! Chapel going to the Pink Pony Club. Ew! What is that? Girl, you're missing a note. It's giving Voldemort. I'll give her 2 stars.
Kagok.
Oh,
Diba?
beautiful. Oh my God, she kind of. Wow, that's really gorgeous. Okay. Ew, girl, that's. Well, this isn't very good. You just put on a bunch of different things and made them all pink. Chapel going to the Pink Pony Club! Okay. Woo! Okay, let's see. Oh my God. Get down. Crown. Yes. Ah! Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. There we go. She ate that. Come on. What? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? 4th place? Not even close. Oh my God. My stars. The girls were not Chapel fans. That is crazy. We're moving right along to the next round because I can't sleep until I win 3 in a row. Phantoms? What the? Oh, we're gonna do Danny Phantom. This could be taking a big risk, but I am going to do Danny Phantom, okay? Danny Phantom is my childhood crush, okay? That, I'm gonna be so real in the least inappropriate way possible. This man was, in fact, my gay awakening, okay? I would do anything for Danny Phantom. We're gonna bring him to life on Dress to Impress today, okay? Oh my God, ew, all these men are so ugly. I guess I have to pick that one. Oh my God, he needs a big block eyebrows, big. That's good, that works fine. Ew, oh my God, DTI team, I need you guys to get some better male faces. Ew, oh my God, this is like sick. Hold on, okay, nose. Ew! Phantom got a rhinoplasty, good God. It's honestly like this, but this hair is so goddamn ugly. It's so ugly. Oh my God, oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna have to just do that. Okay. Oh my God, we don't have a lot of time. Okay, I need gloves, and I need the gloves to be silver. Now I need sleeves. I need sleeves over top of Mr. Danny. Okay, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna do, oh, not those sleeves. Oh my gosh. We're gonna do leggings, and we're gonna make the leggings black, of course. We need the silver boots on top. Oh my God. Okay, we need this, and then we need these to be silver, but then we need to make them ankle length. Yes! He's Danny Phantom. Okay, I need to like layer that on together, make them silver as well. Silver. Oh no. Oh my God. Why are the boobs sticking out like that? Danny, put the boobs away. This is so inappropriate. Oh my God. How is there no? Oh shit. I'm gonna buy more time. Should I not? I don't have, there is no black tank top. I don't. No! Oh my God. Is there anything that I can put on here? Oh my God. Code, please. Oh no. I have to leave. No! I had 5 minutes minutes and I couldn't even get it together. I spent all that time on the stupid custom phase and it doesn't even look good. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. Oh my
Ilang
god!
grado ng mata mo?
Oh my god, that is really good. You guys, I cannot walk the runway like this. This is so embarrassing for me. Oh, Danny Phantom, okay. Danny Phantom, but I ran out of time. This is so embarrassing for me, you guys. This is so embarrassing. This could have been so good, but I really fucked up. Oh wait, where's my fairy three? There we go. He can fly, he can fly. Unfortunately, that is really good. And I also love the idea of putting the change over top of that to look like a phantom that's been captured. God, this is a really good server. I am out of my league. This is embarrassing for me. Not good. Oh my god! Oh my god, I don't even want to see this. This is gonna be pathetic. Yeah, this is the same top 3 from last time too. Seems like there's a conspiracy theory going on here. I got last place. Okay, this is a pro server, so we have to really cook here, you guys. We have to cook.
It's a piece of cake, the bigger pretty cake.
3, 2, 1. The theme is, please, winter holidays. Oh, please. What color is the Grinch? Pull up a photo.
Green. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, those eyes are really good. He has like a tiny little nose. Tiny. Oh, perfect. Oh, that's so good. Oh my god, you guys, I am cooking! Ah! Okay. Oh my god, I don't have the time for this. Where's the stupid cheek contour? I don't know. Nobody cares. Santa hat? Great. Red? Great. I need some sort of hair underneath here, just so it matches. That's fine. I'm gonna put that on, but I'm also gonna, I need like some sort of like hair, so it's not like, oh my god, get wrong! Oh my god, James, I'm flopping. I can just do that so it's a green hair, right? Like that. 5. I need furry sleeves. I just need to make them the same color as my skin. Color wheel. Save color. Save the color! Okay. I'm gonna put on the sleeves as well and make it the same color, so it adds just like some texture to the skin. These, same color, green. Oh my god, what am I doing, James? I didn't put it, what am I doing? Oh my god, you guys, I am flopping today. Green, great. Oh my god, this is too hard. I'm just not good at this today. Eyelashes, type 3. Perfect, okay. That's good. I'm gonna do Uggs, because it's like fluffy. This is not good. Oh my god, you guys, I'm doing really bad today. Oh my god. Twink Grinch. Oh wait, he has a belt. Okay. Oh my god, this is really ugly. Oh my god! Ah! I reject my mortal flesh. I refuse to be human. Girl, it is never that serious. We could have done New Year's. What the hell? What are you doing with that? Girl, the tree. I guess I get it. I spent all my time on the face. And that's what you came up with? Oh my god, somebody comes in, it shows. Yeah, the Grinch. That's good. Okay. Come on. Oh, we kind of ate. We did kind of eat. Oh, yeah. Okay, we kind of ate. Let's see. Okay. Come on.
Busog na ako.
Kasi, may free shipping araw-araw sa shop.
Kailangan ko kasi kakagising ko lang po ka ng Hoy, El, mas masarap ka. Pero na, bomba na. Charis. Ano ba? Naghanap ako ng series, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for tuning in. I'm sorry. Feeling ko mas masarap ka pa kaysa wow. Right? Sabi, ang sarap. Sobrang latina. Hindi ko naubos yung nuggets ko. Meron pang 3. Diba? Kanina sabi ko, hindi ko na iluluto yung 3. Tapos niluto ko siya. Hindi ko rin naman siya nakain lahat. Stupid bitch. Bye-bye. Ay, hindi. Wait lang. Magcha-chocolate pala tayo. Kasi may binigay ding chocolate dun sa diba? Pistachio Catafici Verifis. Ito yung may keme-kemeng sobrang tigas. Naubos ko yung brownies. Sorry. Isang araw ko lang yun siya. Yes, kasi Ito nga, kasi parang dun sa seat, merong chocolate na ganito. So may mga hindi pumunta. Ang atake ko, kumuha ako ng 4. So bali 5 yung nasa sa akin. Dun sa taas na row, may mga hindi pumunta. Hindi nila kinuha yung chocolate nila. Bakla! Kinuha ko dyan. Mga takal, ngayon tayong ganito. Pistachio katayfi. Masarap siya. Dibik, sobrang galing. Matigal ko lang gustong tikpan to eh. Hindi ko alam kung kami sa TikTok shop. Di ba meron siya? I love you, Max. Penga ako, isago ko ninyo dito. Ito lang. Ang ganda mo, Maria Braga. Ay, tayo, bomba na. Maria Braga. Ang aking... Hindi na ako nag-iilonggo eh. Nawala na siya sa aking sistema. Ayan. Ako na yun for tonight. Sugar rush na naman parang maganda talaga yung movie guys, yung XX Lover. Feeling ko magugustuhan nyo ng ng mga batang 90s. Baka sapihan ka na naman ha, bigla akong Ay, andito yung The Rubens. Kasi pag pupunta ako sa mga mga lugar, yan. Plano kong mapuno yan siya. So, Bicol, Palawan, Cebu, Bacolod, syempre Baguio, Sunflower. Kitong Sunflower. Ayan. Di pa ako nakakahanap sa amin sa Pangasinan. Tapos sa La Union, may isang kulang pa yung sa La Union. Dadagdagan ko pa pagbalik ko ng La Union. Tapos gusto ko ng ref magnet guys. Bigyan niyo ako ref magnet. Wow. Yung mga mukha, yung pambinyag. Ay hindi, ito Skull Panda pala. Gusto ko Skull Panda. Bigyan niyo ako Skull Panda, please lang. Ay, isa pa lang yung Skull Panda ko. Yan pa lang siya. Guys, Skull Panda. Please, thank you. Charis, wow. Diba? Kasi meron na akong Hirono eh. May dalawa na akong Hirono. Ay! Nahulog na nga. Ito binigay din to. This is cute nyo. Sobrang cute kaya ng mga Hirono. Pero yung Skull Panda kasi, bakala, sobrang con. Sobrang kanti ng Skull Panda. As in. Sobrang kanti niya. Sobrang ganda niya. Masuggest ka ng tattoo design. Wow. Alam nyo, gusto ko ulit magpatattoo. Kagabi ko lang naisip. Parang, gusto ko magpatattoo. Gusto kong tattoo yung ano. Ano ba gusto ko? Sobrang pretty niya, 'di ba? Scalp, administration. Admiration. Administration. Wow, gaya-gaya ka sa akin, ah. 'Di ba? Sobrang ganda lang scalp panda. Super pretty. This is me in drag. May gusto ko si Anger. Tattoo design inspired sa Yuma. Ganito lang. Choice. Bahala na kayo dyan. Pangalan ko, sige nga. Pakailan nyo Gusto ko magpatato sa likod ng Leo na ano. Ay, hindi. Ayoko sa likod. I mean, yung Leo gusto ko sa kamay. Pero, gusto ko pa dito sa likod. Gusto ko dito. Gusto ko dyan. Gusto ko sa paa. Tapos, dito. Tsaka dito. Ayun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pa. Pero sa kana muna. Okay, sa Maxiverse, andun ako, Charis. I wanna be the very best, right? Right. Anyways, bye-bye na guys. Magliligpit na ako ng aking kinainan at maghanap ako ng mapapanood na series. Yes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.